Good afternoon, students. In the last class, we are discussing about the probability and the terms related with the probability. Here, today we'll solve some problems based on this probability. First question: a coin is tossed 1,000 times. We get 499 times head and 501 times tail. What is the empirical? Empirical means experimental probability of getting head, and what is the experimental probability of getting tail? Here we know that the experimental probability can be found out by the number of trials which head came divided by the total number of trials. Therefore, how many number of times here head is repeated? 499. Total how many number of trials we are doing? 1,000. Therefore, experimental probability of getting head is equal to 499 by 1,000, that is equal to 0.499. Empirical probability of getting tail is equal to number of trials which tail came divided by total number of trials. How many number of times tail came here? 501 divided by 1,000, that is equal to 0.501. Next, the record of the weather forecast station shows that the past 250 consecutive days weather forecast were 175 times correct. What is the probability it was correct, and what is the probability that it was not correct? Probability that the given date was correct is equal to number of days was correct divided by total number of days. Therefore, 175 divided by 250, that is equal to 0.7. Number of days it was incorrect is equal to 250 minus 175 is equal to 75. Therefore, probability that it was not correct is equal to number of days it was not correct divided by total number of days. 75 by 250, that is equal to 0.3. Next, 100 seats were selected at random from each of 5 bags. 5 bags are there. We are taking 100 seats. After 20 days, the number of seeds which germinated in a collection were counted and recorded as follows. They are kept for germination and recorded as: in the first bag 70 seeds germinated, second bag 75, third bag 65, fourth bag 80, fifth bag 51. What is the probability of germination of more than 60? More than 60 andre all the 5 bags alli more than 60 germination agide. And next 51 seeds in a bag, one fifth bag alli 51 seeds ide. More than 75 andre ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿದೆ? only one bag more than 75 andre. Next 90 seeds in a bag. 90 seeds in a bag, it is no bag there. Therefore, total number of bags is 5. Number of bags in which more than 60 seeds germinated is equal to 4. Therefore, probability of germination of more than 60 seeds is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Next 51 seeds in a bag andre 1 by 5. Andre fifth bag alli 51 seeds is there. Therefore, probability is 1 by 5. More than 75, 1 by 5. More than 90, it is an impossible event. Next, exercise problems. In a cricket match, a batsman hit a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. Number of times the batsman hits a boundary is 6. Number of balls played 30. Therefore, number of times that batswoman does not hit a boundary is equal to 24. Therefore, probability that she did not hit a boundary is equal to number of times she did not hit a boundary divided by total number of balls played, that is equal to 24 by 30, that is equal to 4 by 5. Next, 1,500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. Compute the probability of a family chosen at 2 girls, 1 girl, no girl. Now also check whether the sum of these probabilities is 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ number of families in a girl, number of families ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 475 families ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 girls ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 814 families ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 girl ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 211 families ಅಲ್ಲಿ girls ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವು probabilityನ ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore, total number of families are 1,500. Number of families having 2 girls is to 475. Therefore, probability of having 2 girls is equal to 475 by 1,500, that is 19 by 60. Number of families having 1 girl 814. Probability of having 1 girl andre that is 814 divided by 1500, that is 407 by 750. Number of family having 2 girls, that is 211 divided by 1500. Number of families having 0 girls. Girls illa ಆ ಥರ families ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ 211. Therefore sum of the probability ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 19 by 60 plus 407 by 750 plus 211 by 1500. Next, what is the value? We'll get 475 plus 814 plus 211 divided by 1500. 1500 by 1500